Before stitching, some embroidery machines require you to position the hoop precisely in relationship to the needle. To do that, you can set the auto start and end options. This tool is conveniently found in several locations. One is the Customized Design Toolbox, another is the Output Design Toolbox, and the third is in the Design Settings menu. They all work the same. So what does this do? Some machines require stitching to start in the center of the hoop and some at the periphery. Some machines require the needle to finish at the center and others at the last stitch. By default, Hatch will choose this for you based on your machine type up here. So I'll click Auto Start and End, and you can see that my start position is in the center of the hoop. Now, depending on your machine, you may be able to move these positions if you want it to start at a specific location. For example, if you're matching up something. I can tell you that when I put the start position at a specific location on some machines, it puts the design outside of the hoop range. So it's all going to depend on your machine. Now, if you change these settings and you want them to become your permanent settings that are included with your default template, just click Save here. Otherwise, click OK to use them for the current design.